Hey there. Happy Beater Box Friday. Well, this isn't really Beater Box Friday because we're not actually opening a beater box, but we are opening things. What's going on? I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That's where you can find all the shoes that I'm pulling out of these boxes here today. And also every other shoe I've pulled out of beater boxes. They're there for sale right now. It's fun stuff. Hi, pals. Today we have two unboxings. One is a mystery box and one is a mystery sneaker. So they're both mystery boxes. One just has one thing in it. So first thing up is from Soul Steals. Soul Steals is a monthly membership website through Soul Supremacy. It's like 20 bucks a month. It gives you access to shoes way under market. These like things called hype boxes, which are kind of bunk, but that's my opinion. What else? Other things too. Whatever. But they had on Black Friday a raffle type thing where you buy a mystery sneaker and there was a pretty good chance to get a pair of Travis Scott 6s. So I don't know what's in here. The box is right here, so we'll see what's going on in here. I can tell you right now, it's not a Travis Scott 6 because the weight on it is definitely not enough to be a Travis Scott 6. So, I mean, it is what it is. The $40 pair of shoes, how bad can it be? You know what I mean? Apparently pretty bad. Okay, so the shoe we got instead of a Travis Scott 6 is a Fila bull strap leather something in a size 11. This thing, it looks like a Fila attempt at a luxury sneaker. Bull strap, more like bull crap. Yeah! So I paid $40 for this. For the chance to get a pair of Travis Scott 6s, I mean, it's pretty cool. Whatever, there you go. Not gonna spend any time on that. That's kind of a bummer. Soul Steals did the thing. Check them out, soulsteals.com, at soulsteals on Instagram. Now, the big boy, the good box we got here is from a good friend of mine, the Droner. You guys probably have seen in past videos. I've gotten like most of my collection through this guy. And I've actually gotten a box from him before and it was really good. Like, I think the return on it was like over 30%, which is pretty awesome. So this box is another drone box. You can follow him on Twitter at Dronkicks. Really, really great dude. He posts up mystery boxes every once in a while. He makes them beforehand, so this was already made and I claimed it. So there's that. The box itself cost me $1,500 plus 40 bucks to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,540. Granted, this is a box from a friend, but as I said before, he pre-makes them, so go ahead, pay attention to this here counter. Bing! That's clearance. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. And then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is worth. So let's open this box. I'm super excited about this box because I know the quality of boxes that this dude does are super, super high. I've seen other people on my Twitter timeline that buy boxes from him and they are always extremely happy. So when he's like, doing another mystery box, I'm like, well, I'm buying another mystery box. Doesn't look like there's any loose shoes, as far as I can tell. Yeah, so it looks like there's 5 or 6 shoes. Ooh, my box cutter just broke. There's like 5 or 6 shoes in here. Let's get this one out. This is first off, a Nike Red Box, an Air Max 90 and a size 11.5. So these are from Sneakers and Stuff. This is the, I forget the name of these things, but these are super goofy looking in hand. This is the like animal CROC camouflage looking thing. So you've got this animal fur type material on the toe box and on the side paneling, but crocodile type leather all over. It's an Air Max 90. The sole looks like it's kind of translucent, but it is a dead stock pair, it looks like. So here's your first shoe out of size 11.5. Nike Air Max 90 CROC CAMO, maybe, I think is what it's called. These came out pretty recently, so nice. And again, those will be on my website today, ransomnotesneakers.com. Another Nike Red Box. This is a size 11 Air Max 90 Quick Strike. It's my size, maybe a keeper. So I wanna say this is the second release of the Air Max 90 in the VIOTECH colorway. Now this pulls the colorway from a very, very classic Co.JP Dunk from 2001, which actually just re-released kind of Monday. Was it Monday or Tuesday? I don't know. I have a pair coming in from Undefeated, so we're gonna be doing a review of that. But regardless, very just colorful, awesome upper, all suede. I love this little hint of yellow on the around the air unit. Dang, these might be staying. I don't really know. Very good condition. Size 11 Air Max 90 VIOTECH. Maybe on the website. Don't know yet. Ooh, very cool. Next up, we have an Ultra Boost in a size 11.5. So you guys know I'm not a big fan of Boost. I just don't like them. I don't like how they feel. I don't really like much how they look either. But this is a dead stock pair of an Ultra Boost in multicolor colorway with black midsole and a black outsole. Very slick looking colorway. I'm just not a fan of Boost. I do like this little accent on the tongue there. It kind of looks like static from a television, which is pretty cool. But the heel cup is a different material than the plastic that I'm used to seeing, but dang, cool looking shoe. I don't know what the value is on these. This looks like something you can probably still get available anywhere, but size 11.5 dead stock pair of some kind of Ultra Boost in a multicolor colorway. Nice. Looks like the rest are Jordans. That's cool. So this first one is a size 11.5 Jordan 1. Came from Soul Steels, which is pretty awesome. Ooh, all right. Barely worn. Well, they're worn a little bit, you can tell. But it's a size 11.5 pair of the Obsidian Air Jordan 1. The quality on these is actually really, really good. You can see the toe box leather is very soft. Even the side panel leather too. Very cool. These I think Drone actually wore these a couple times. So these are in really great shape. They just need a quick cleanup. There's no major damage. There's no scrapes or scuffs or anything. So very awesome. I'm gonna hit these with Rejuvenator and they will be very clean. So there you go, 11.5 Obsidian 1s. I just said too, I'm gonna hit these Rejuvenator. Remember to use my code SBMitch10 to save 10% on Rejuvenator, because that's the thing I do now. Another Air Jordan 1. Got a size 11 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Probably Royals. Yep, okay, cool. I already have a personal pair that I surprisingly got from Drone anyways. So this is pretty cool to see, and they are dead stock. This is a pair of the 2017 release of the Royal Air Jordan 1s. I'm a huge fan of this release. The leather quality is very nice. A lot of the leather on the Royal 1s from this release was really inconsistent, but this looks to be pretty consistent all around. Just a classic Air Jordan 1 colorway, dead stock pair. Price, I mean, the value on these is probably hovering around like 300-ish. I don't really know, but yeah, there you go. Jordan 1 Royals, 2017 dead stock pair. Very cool. So because I already have a pair, these will be on the website for sure. And the last pair up, this is a size 11.5 Air Jordan 1 Retro High NRG. So this is a Union collab. Woo! Very cool. So these are worn, but holy cow, like barely. So it's the black toe Union 1s. So these are worn, but looking at them, you wouldn't be able to tell. There's a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Wow, no star loss. Man, these are crazy. I have a size 11 on ice. These are really nice. I mean, you can see some of the tumble on the leather on the side panel. Like, this is crazy. Suede's still in great shape. Daggum. Comes with the original everything. Comes with the secondary laces too. Wow, this is definitely the money shoe of the box. These are so close to dead stock, it's not even funny. So there you go. Jordan 1 Union black toe colorway is your last shoe out, and it's size 11.5. And that is a $1,500 drone box. This is actually probably gonna be worth a pretty good amount more than we paid. So let's take a look at the breakdown right now. Breakdown! Dang, awesome. I know those black toes are going for over $1,000. So that's most of the box right there. Yeah, this box is probably, I don't know because the breakdown just happened, but I don't do it until afterwards. There's probably a good like $400 in possible profit in this box. So awesome. Give Drone a follow at DRON-KICKS on Twitter. He does mystery boxes on occasion. He doesn't have them all the time. So if you're impatient, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you like what's going on here, remember to like and subscribe. If you don't like what's going on here, remember to dislike, because there's always a couple. Anyways, I will see you soon with another video. I have 3 beater boxes stacked up over here to my left, so we're gonna be opening those. So until then, take care of each other, and remember, they're just shoes. Make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. Okay, toodles! These, you want them? It's a size 11 bull strap, something, Fila. I don't want them, so go ahead, DM me on Twitter. Twitter only, no Instagram. DM me on Twitter, say you want them, and they are yours if you pay for shipping. So there you go, size 11, some kind of brown leather Fila thing. Yours if you pay for shipping. DM me at SBXMitch on Twitter. Twitter only, no Instagram. Thanks!